Hi friends, myself Varsha Khanwani. Today I'm very glad to get this certificate as I have cleared my sports nutrition course with IFSI Institute, and I'm very glad that the entire staff and all the sirs are so helpful and so cooperative. It was a glad journey to be with them, and I would recommend you this academy if you are looking forward for any kind of fitness profession like a fitness trainer, or you want to be a sports nutritionist. You can definitely approach them. The whole team is very supportive, especially the Nikhil sir, who is the principal of this academy. He is a very enthusiastic person and he guides so well. And Prathamesh sir, he is also very kind and helpful. Raj sir and all those staff people, they are very cooperative, and I would definitely recommend you to join this academy if you are looking forward to join any kinds of sports activities in your profession. Thank you so much.